What's up, guys? Welcome back to another muscle car walk around here at Coyote Classics. And today, Chad and I are going to go bumper to bumper on this beautiful 1965 K-Code Artesian Turquoise El Camino.
Yeah, when I just got done checking the codes on this thing, and I absolutely love the color. And then for this thing to come born from the factory with this color is just amazing, Doll.
Yeah, it is. And this truck, and as we go around it, I don't know whether to call it a truck or a car. What do you call an El Camino? Let us know in the comments.
I'd definitely call it a car myself.
But when I went around this and we would go around it, you'll tell me the restoration on this is just superb.
Yeah, it's a full frame off restoration, guys. And we went all out on this thing when we bought it just because I absolutely love this car. Absolutely beautiful chrome, laser straight body, gorgeous paint, full frame off restoration, and probably the most comfortable bucket seats I've ever been in, man.
Yeah, 4-speed. I mean, the thing goes like a...
Yeah, it's a absolutely almost mint car. As we look up and down the sides, the paint and body on this is laser straight. It's a beautiful turquoise metallic with all restored chrome. The grille, the front bumper, everything on this thing is beautiful. As we go underneath the hood, I mean, this thing's done exactly just like the rest of the car. It is a 350, a built 350 with the 327 stickers on the valve covers, chrome breather, chrome valve covers, power disc brakes in the front with power steering. It's got the correct shroud. You can just tell the quality of the restoration on this thing. Full frame off, all new hoses. I mean, just done very, very nicely.
And the paint is absolutely beautiful on the truck. When you look at the inner fenders.
Bottom side of the hood is all done in the correct matte black. They even went ahead when they did the restoration and took off all the hood latches, hood springs, everything, and just did a very, very professional job, though. As far as our hood gap goes, we got an awesome hood gap from front to back. It lays out very nicely across the top of the hood, the top of the fender. I'm gonna go ahead and see if we can kick it off fast idle. Passenger side hood fits really nice too, just at the very, very back. It's lifted up just a little bit. When you adjust the choke a little bit, guys, it still seems like it wants to be on fast idle a little bit here. As we go up and down the passenger side, again, laser straight body. I'm sitting on a nice set of rally rims with BFG raised white letter tires. All the glass is new in this also, Dalton. I mean, just completely new. The back glass, all the rubbers, all the trim around the glass. The roof is perfect. Like I said, it's just a super clean car.
Yeah, it is.
Dalton's gonna go ahead and shut it off, and we'll try that, see if we can get it off fast idle next time. As we go around it, I mean, just the restoration quality of this truck. Inside the box.
Yeah, check out this bed on it. I mean, just beautiful. And these El Caminos, it folds up. You got a little compartment back here.
Oh yeah, I think you have to unbolt it. No, right here. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that. Yeah, they did a great job on this thing, man. It's absolutely beautiful.
I'll go get that first.
Inside, when they did the inner fender tubs on the inside of the box, I mean, there's no dings anywhere on the inside of the box. You got a few little, obviously, imperfections, stuff like this on the bottom side, but they put the mat on it and really protect that beautiful paint.
I don't think this bed's been used to haul anything besides maybe a lawn chair or two.
Isn't it a sweet truck?
Yeah, it is.
Dual exhaust sounds awesome on it as far as our back bumper. The chrome is gorgeous. The tailgate fits excellent on it as well. So,
did you point out the only imperfection that we've noticed is there's a little like crack or scratch right there.
There's a little paint flaw there, and that's the only thing we've seen so far, guys.
But I would say this is a show quality truck. I mean,
yeah, it's definitely a show car from bumper to bumper. Bottom of the rear quarter, bottom of the lower door, everything's in excellent shape. Here's the biggest thing. I mean, new handles, new locks, new rubbers around the locks. I mean, look at the quality of the restoration and the door jambs. It's absolutely phenomenal.
And clearly they started with a rust-free El Camino too.
Yeah, very, very solid. If we go in here, guys, Look at the quality here as we go in through here in the lower part of the doors. There's your corner of the door in behind the front fender.
And that has to be my favorite color too, especially on this car.
Yeah, it looks great. I mean, I'm not, we don't buy a ton of El Caminos, guys. That's why, you know, it's kind of surprised Dalton when I fell in love with this thing. But the color combination, the 4-speed, bucket seats, I mean, just a fantastic little car.
And when I took and drove this car too, which we'll do here in a minute, it's phenomenal. I mean, it's super quick, tight, shifts nice. I mean, just a nice car.
There you go, calling it a car again.
I know.
It is a
I
car.
keep switching back and forth.
I know. It is a car. As far as the dash pad goes, the dash is all new. The gauge cluster is new. It's got the factory tack and gauges, and all the tack and gauges work perfectly. It's got the AM/FM digital radio, and that works great. All new bezel. Horn works. I mean, this thing's just phenomenal. The foot pedal, brake pedal, all that stuff's been restored. Console's in fantastic shape. It's got the correct GM seat belts for 2. When they did the seat covers, guys, they went ahead and put all new padding in them, so they're super comfortable. Inside here we have a rear release. Oh my God, that's for that back hatch.
Sure it is. Yeah,
so it's got the rear release, and that works. Remote in there. Again, I want to point out that all of the interior trim, the headliner, the visors, all this plastic trim, everything's done to a very high standard. The rear view mirror, I mean, nothing's done cheap on this car.
No, they didn't cut any corners.
All new felts, all new rubbers, laser straight, show quality paint and body.
And I like these El Caminos much more than like the 70s. You know, I mean, they're just got a little more style.
Yeah, they definitely do. I agree 100%. And the color, guys, you have to see this El Camino in person. You'll buy it. Trust me, you'll buy it. If you're looking for one and you see it and drive it, this is an awesome color combination on this El Camino. And especially out in the sun. I mean, this metallic just pops. Over the wheel wells, down low here, lower quarter panel, lower door, lower fender, all of that stuff is excellent.
And I mean, look how everything lines up too. Everything really lines up pretty nice.
Yes, it sure does. Like, perfect example right here. Cowl, fender, hood, windshield pillars, door, all that stuff lines up perfect right there. They went ahead and put the correct rubber bumpers in there. The door panels, armrests, bases, handles are all brand new. This is one of the nicest early generation El Caminos on the market today, guys. We've done some comps and you don't find them much nicer than this one, guys. And pretty much bone stock looking under the hood with the chrome valve covers and stuff. Doesn't look like it's super fast, but I'll tell you what, it really gets with the program.
Yeah, it does. I do like the 4-speed in this. A lot of them are, I mean, you see a lot of automatics. I liked having that 4-speed and console.
And then the full console.
Yeah.
The only thing I'd say, if it was me, I'd like a little taller 4-speed for myself. I like that. But as we start this thing up, factory tack works, wipers work. We talked about the radio a little bit here. It's got the digital radio.
If you find a station.
I might have to put the antenna up a little bit.
No, I can. There you go.
All right. Temp gauge works. We went out and took it for a spin. It's running about half. Oil pressure's at 30. Gas gauge works. It's charging. Back works.
That does sound really nice.
It does. It sounds awesome, guys.
Nice crisp sound to it.
The power steering makes it nice too. A lot of the early 64 and 5s didn't have power steering. I mean, windows go up and down super smooth. All those new channels in there, new felts.
It sits right back.
It does. It definitely does. As far as the brakes, guys, go, the brakes, it's got power disc brakes and they're just a skosh touchy. So we need to get them checked out a little bit here. drives freaking awesome. The shock, suspension,
very
sub
tight.
80 mile an hour down the road. As far as RPMs, running about 2,700 RPMs right now. Goes down the road fantastic.
Yeah, it does. Very, very comfortable. Pretty quiet in here as well, but really tight going down the road.
All new rubbers and seals. It really seals up nicely.
Guys, check it out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook. We'll see you next time.